Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to a Friday edition of Microcomputer Applications class. Unless, of course, you have Micro 1B, and in that case, welcome to a Monday version of Microcomputer Applications class. You might notice the surroundings are a little bit different today. I figured we'd take a little field trip outside. It's just not the same without you guys here. Can't wait to have you back. Until that time, we'll keep up with these distance learning plans and pick up right where we left off last class. If you recall, we were talking about the home row last class, and that's exactly where we're going to start today. I'm going to show you a video right now of where your fingers should be going on the keyboard, which fingers you should be using for which keys. Let's take a look. Alright guys, here you see a keyboard propped up with some DVDs. Don't mind those, just trying to get you a better angle here. And what we're going to do is start off with our fingers right on that home row we talked about last class. So pointers on the F and the J key. Go ahead, feel those bumps. Middle fingers on the K and the D. Ring fingers on the L and the S. And then our pinkies on the A and the semicolon keys. So right here, this is our home row. One or both of your thumbs on the spacebar. And by memorizing this home row, we're going to be able to memorize where all the other keys are and what fingers to use based on this home row. Good news for today is the lessons that you need to do on the Typing Club are only going to be this middle first row and the R and the U keys. So what you need to know is when your fingers are on this home row and it asks you to hit a J, you're obviously going to use your pointer. When it asks you to hit a K, you're going to use your middle finger, L, your ring finger, colon, your pinky. But when it asks you to hit an H, you're going to go right on over with the left and then come on back to the J always. H and then back here. U is another key that we're going to be using today. For the U key, you're going to reach up with the pointer and come right back down. U, right back down. You're not going to hit the J key. You're just going to rest your fingers right here on the home row. On the left-hand side, if we need to hit the F, we'll use our pointer. If we need to hit the D, we'll use our middle finger. If we need to hit the S, obviously our ring finger. And then for the A, boom, our pinky. The G, we're going to reach over with our pointer, just like we did with the H in our right finger. Going to reach over and come on back. And then the R, boom, up and back to the F. We'll obviously get to the other keys later, guys, in different classes, and we'll be using different fingers for different keys. But for today, just worry about this first row and the R and the U keys, as well as the space bar. All right, I hope I explained that well enough. If I didn't, or if you have any other questions, as always, please feel free to email me at cwekba.precisionacademy@gmail.com. I'll go ahead and post that at the end of this video as well, in case you have any issues. Now, for today's assignments, you have two things you need to do. The first is email me as soon as this video is over, and you need to tell me where we had class today. That is the question. Where did we have class today? Was it in a classroom? Was it in a car? Where was it? And number two, you are going to log back into the Typing Club. I'll post that website for you at the end of this video as well. And you're going to do lessons 1 through 10. Now, you might be thinking to yourself, Mr. Weckball, 1 through 10, we just did 1 through 5 last class. Sorry, I deleted 1 through 5. Did that on purpose. I want you to practice numbers 1 through 5 again. So we're going to go all the way up to 10 today. That is your assignment for today. Lessons 1 through 10. Don't go past. Don't go short. Stop right at 10. And that's all you got. Email, where did we have class? And assignment, 1 through 10 on the Typing Club. If this is Friday, I hope you guys have a great day and a great weekend. If it's a Monday for you, I hope you had a great weekend. And I look forward to this week with you and hope you have a great week. We'll talk to you guys soon.